Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to briefly share that there has been a lot said over the Fiji National University saga that embroiled my leadership. Very little has been shared about the challenges faced by the Office of the Minister of Education during that period to handle the imminent threat of a strike or protest by teachers and students at the university, which had been brought to my attention over the various challenges that were at the heart of the FNU Council and its leadership at the time. If there was one thing I was certain, Mr. Speaker, it was that my job was to protect the stability of the coalition government and the stability of our economic environment, where adverse publicity and instability means the ruling government will be held responsible for its inability to show leadership and resolve potentially destructive incidents. Mr. Speaker, sir, the current University of the South Pacific ongoing impasse with threats of strike looming must be handled with precision and delicate management. As I have alluded to, the fallout and backlash from such displays of instability threatens public confidence with potentially negative economic ramification, and given the university is a regional institution, Fiji could face criticism that it has failed to safeguard the interest of the students of the university and that of the member countries who form ownership of the South Pacific University.